Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So your girl got her custom colorist kit in the mail from ESalon, and today we are going to do a little bit of what I call fixing a color that I jacked up, but we're going to be using professional color from ESalon.com. So of course I got my personal colors kit. This kit came with my color, the developer. It also came with some gloves, as well as the shampoo and conditioner that can be utilized to help when I'm done with the process. Another thing that it also came with is detailed instructions that are personalized with my name on them. And it also shows you how to be able to do a professional color from the comfort of your own home that was custom made just for you. Now to start the process, because I have on a collared shirt, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck that baby in. And then we're going to go ahead and mix up our ESalon color, which of course you see my color has my name on it. Thank you, ESalon. I appreciate you. Anyway, I'm going to be mixing my color along with the developer. Now, for those of you that don't know, your girl decided to do a purple color, and my roots were purple, my ends were black. So I'm going to fix that today using ESalon color. And of course, I'm just going to do this straight from the bottle along with the developer and the color. Now, this is a 10 volume developer. Now, the good thing about ESalon is that when you utilize their custom color service, you literally create a profile, complete the color quiz, and then a colorist is actually going to help to formulate the color that you need, all 100% for you, and then ship it to you super duper easy. And you can also get this on auto ship. Now, I started by just placing my color all over my head, mainly because I know I jacked my hair up before I did this. So this is going to help to even out all of that color. It's going to give my hair that nice rich shine, and it's going to help to fix the problem that I had earlier. Now, I use my ESalon time clock, which is a timer, and set it for 15 minutes. And then I allowed this baby to process. And this is what we got. Now, don't worry about the staining, you guys. The good thing about the ESalon Personal Colors Kit is that it comes with stain guard. It also comes with a stain remover, which I'm going to be honest, you guys, I did a bad thing and I did not use the stain guard at the beginning. Hence the reason why I'm having to scrub a little bit harder with the stain remover, but it definitely worked and helped to remove a lot of that staining from my face area. But you guys, please definitely use the stain guard before you start this process, okay? Save yourself some time. Do as I say and not as I do. Anyway, I'm using my Elite Silk Wrap Foam to mold my hair down. And as you guys can tell, your girl's hair color is super shiny, nice and even, and it is laying and slaying. I am so happy because ESalon helped me to fix this really bad problem that I had. So now when you guys see my hair, now it's dry. Look at those roots. Pow, 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 pow. Okay, ESalon for the win. ESalon for the win. Did I say ESalon for the win? ESalon for the win. Now, because your girl wanted to be a little bit extra, I decided that I wanted to add some extensions to this already amazingly shiny, amazingly healthy looking hair. Shout out to ESalon, because your color has literally changed my life, because these roots were not rooting and this hair was not hairing, okay? Like, it was looking a hot mess with the two colors, lighter at the roots, darker at the ends. So my ESalon color literally helped to even that out. And once again, I can tell you guys, this is a customized color, you guys. It was made specifically towards my requirements for my hair. So the extensions that I'm using is from a company called Empire. This is just some average beauty supply hair, you guys. Nothing fancy, nothing to really talk about. Use whatever hair you choose, as long as it matches your hair texture. Now, in the meantime of me installing this tracks, let me just point out to you guys how easy this process was for me to actually get my color. I simply created a hair color profile by taking a color quiz on ESalon.com. From there, their licensed colorists helped to craft a custom color for me, utilizing all of the information that I provided. Once the colorist created my color, they actually personalized my instructions. They personalized my color itself. And then, of course, it was on its way into your girl's mailbox. And when I tell you this process was super quick, it was super quick. But you are also welcome to get this in a subscription or on auto ship so that you never run out of your color. And you can base it off of when you typically will do your hair color, which can be bi-weekly, monthly, however you choose to do so. Now I'm going through and just utilizing our Smooth by EHC flat iron to smooth my hair out before I apply the extensions to my hair. This is going to make the extension process super easy. Now remember, you guys, you are doing this from home just like me. The only thing that I had at home was some hair glue, the extensions, my Smooth by EHC flat irons, a comb, and some household scissors. So we're going to make this do what it does, and we're going to just make this baby look cute. Okay, because you know, when we're pros can get out of any situation. You got your professional hair color. Now I'm teaching you how to do professional extensions. So this is going to make it super duper easy for you outside of doing your ESalon color, which that was already easy all on its own. I mean, what else could you ask for? Now, while I'm finishing up adding these extensions, I want you guys to get into the fact that your girl hair, like my hair has an amazing luster to it. And I have added no additional product at this point. So shout out to ESalon for their vitamin E, that quinoa, some of that sunflower extract, baby, come on, argan, keratin, just to name a few. And you guys know that the hair is actually made up of keratin, so this is actually going to be a plus. And it definitely left my hair looking way better than when I started, because those purple roots and black ends was horrid. Horrid. Okay. Now, my Smooth by EHC iron is set to 400 degrees. Because I just got a fresh color, I don't really need any high heat. And of course, your hair is super duper clean. So you want to just make sure that you are adjusting the temperature on your iron as needed. Now, the extensions that I'm using, as I said, these are not expensive. They're nothing fancy. You can use whatever extensions you want to do this part of the service. And then I took some household scissors. As you guys can tell, these scissors were like $7, okay? And I used those to create a little bit of layering, which was super duper easy. You guys can also do this at home. You guys know I've taught you a lot as being elite hair care pros. So you're able to do this part of the service to yourself as well and add a little extra oomph to your hair. Now, for those of you that might want to take this up a notch, definitely check out the highlight kit, where you are able to add a couple highlights to your hair and make it even cuter. I didn't do that in this service because I'm trying to stay away from, I've done too much to my hair already. But I like the fact that my hair definitely looks super healthy. My color is popping, and I'm able to do this service really, really quickly. All, like I said, in the comfort of my own home. Like, what else could you really want? You don't even have to leave your house, and you can do pro color. Anyway, once I got done, I went ahead and curled my hair and my extensions in just some really big sections using my Smooth by EHC flat iron. And then from there, I just allowed my hair to kind of set for a little bit, because your girl needed to go put on her makeup and look cute, because I had a date to go on. A date with the grocery store, by the way. Don't pay me any attention, you guys. That was just a little cheesy joke. Anyway, for those of you that are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And please don't forget to also thumbs up this video. And you guys, in the comments, I want you guys to shout out ESalon and tell them how well that color fixed this really bad color that your girl did to her own hair. I am a licensed cosmetologist, and I still can jack my own hair up. So I want you guys to comment down below, tell ESalon, hey, and definitely go and check out their website at ESalon.com and grab your personal colorist kit that is once again made for you. And then to finish off this service, I'm just using my Smooth by EHC mini iron, which you guys know these release really, really soon. So you guys definitely keep your eyes open for that. If you haven't already, go and check out my other video of me working with my client, who I was able to actually achieve highlights and an amazing color on her. And that was her first time getting an actual hair color service. So you guys go check that out, of course. And don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about the finished product. Tell me what you guys thought about this girl's finished extensions, the shine, the luster. Listen, I think your girl just went off on this. I just went off on this. Anyway, you guys, stay to the end so you can see when your girl is actually, well, you don't have to stay to the end because this is the end. I didn't mean to tell you that, but okay, yeah, this is the end. Your girl got her makeup on, your girl got her earrings on, and now I'm gonna use my flow comb and let it flow, let it flow. Those roots are rooting, that hair is shiny. Shout out ESalon.com and check out our website, Elite Hair Care.